Welcome back, guys. It's another day, and there were some new snow during the night. So yeah, let me just turn around so you can see the beauties. Check this out. This is, man, this is awesome. This is really amazing. Oh yeah, I love this winter already, and it's not even fucking started, man. This is endless, endless field for me to play. I mean, it's not mine. But I don't think the owners will actually mind, because I'm not doing any damage, because there's not really crabs under snow. But yeah, the thing what I wanted to talk about with you is what will be the future plans for Husaberg. Do I keep it? Or I mean keep it. Do I keep it in this state in which it is as an enduro, or should I actually rebuild this to supermoto and do some crazy colors or something like that? The front wheel grip actually isn't that bad. And the second choice for me is to actually sell it during summer. So one choice, keep it, the other one, sell it. But I can't quite decide yet, because as you can tell, I'm having a blast. And I'm just like a little kid with a thought. And this is a very, very, very fun toy to have. Let me fucking tell ya. This would be a lot more fun with a lot more snow, and maybe the special attachment for the back wheel. that actually allows you to plow through the snow like it's nothing. That would be fucking epic. But I checked that out. That attachment is really pricey, And by pricey, I mean it costs a lot more than this bike. So yeah, not probably do that. Ooh. I have no idea what gear am I actually using, because I can't really tell if it's first or second. No, I can tell first, but I can definitely tell the difference between the second and the third. My feet are so wet actually. So, if you actually care or want to see something different or whatever, you basically have the chance, because you can actually let me know in the comments what sounds a little better for you. Sell the bike, or keep the bike as it is, or keep the bike and rebuild it to supermoto or something, I don't know yet. Basically, possibilities are endless. Oh, don't take my sun away, come on. It's not gonna be that beautiful as it was before. So, yeah. But I can barely stand in the snow. Doesn't look that bad. So yeah, that's it for me for today, because I'm gonna have some fun by myself without talking, so I don't risk crashing. So yeah, take care, ride safe if you do, and peace.